Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel DIY Ideas.
There are many unique small backyard ideas that have successfully coped with the main challenge to expand the space visually by using some simple design techniques. Here are some basic rules you need to follow when you want to create a comfortable and elegant outdoor area on a limited space. Avoid large dark constructions. If you cannot do without them, then make the buildings as compact and airy as possible. Avoid clear geometric shapes and sharp corners in the layout, which will accent on the small size of the plot. Carefully plan the decorative elements. Keep the decoration simple: planters with boxwood, flower pots, decorative stones, lights. Create focal points. It can be a flower bed, a small pond, a tree, or an interesting decorative element. Waving plants or grapes will give them a noble look and will hide the heavy construction. A tall privacy fence will create an effect of a closed box, so it will be a good idea to choose an open-work metal fence, a privacy hedge, or a lighter picket fence adorned with flowering plants. Planting tall, spreading trees is not a good idea, as they take away a significant part of the territory. Shrubs and small trees will give you the dynamic in height, so it is a better idea to opt for those varieties. Plain or uneven terrain with color shades gives depth and volume to your yard. You can create a small scheduled corner with a table and chairs under a tree giving a shadow. Hang or string lights, homemade lamps from bottles and mason jars, or the original pots with flowers that will add even more comfort and coziness. A modern outdoor kitchen may well correspond to the modern style of your home. This space should be not only functional and convenient, but also visually attractive. Moreover, it can be intended not only for cooking, but as a place where the whole family will be happy to gather for lunch or dinner, as well as for guest entertaining. This means that you need to plan a dining area and maybe a lunch area. If you are attracted to DIY garden furniture projects, you should think about the appropriate tools when planning. Functional, stable, and weatherproof furniture that can be found in the markets, of course, has an advantage. However, homemade pieces bring a special charm to the outdoors and encourage creativity. One can be sure that a seat built by himself is absolutely eye-catching and unique.